Hello everyone. So welcome back to our English Benny podcast. So today we're gonna talk about special topic. But before we talk about more our special topic, so let me introduce you to my students first. And for my students, can you introduce yourself first?
Hello everyone, my name is Fakir. My full name is Muhammad Akram Al Fakir. You can call me is Fakir.
Okay. So I call your name is Faki, right?
Yes.
Okay, Faki. Are you fine today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Where do you study?
I study in SD Negeri Padayang.
Is it from here?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What grade are you now?
I fifth grade.
Fifth grade. So how old are you now?
I'm 12 years old.
Okay. So it means 12 years old. So next year you're gonna move to the sixth grade,
Yes.
right? Okay. So today we're gonna have a topic about dreams job. So every students or every people in the world has their own dreams job, right? So what about you? What is your actually your dreams job?
My dream job is become a police.
Okay, become a police.
Yes.
Since when did you want to become a police?
When I was 8 years old.
Oh, when you were 8 years old, yeah.
Yes.
And then who actually inspired you to become a police?
My inspired become a police is my teacher.
Oh, your teacher. Can
Yes.
you tell me who is the name?
My name is Sham. Sham.
Oh, Sir Sham,
Yes.
Mr. Sham,
Mr.
yeah.
Sham.
Okay, that's great. Oh, why do you want to be a police? Can you tell me the reason?
Because you can controlling traffic and cross someone who is elderly or a child.
Oh, okay, that's nice. And then, do you know what do the people do in that kind of job?
Mm,
What the people do on the job?
Help people and assisting in emergencies.
Oh, okay, I see. And then what skill that we need to do when we want to become a police? What kind of skill? Can you tell me?
Mm,
For example, if we want to become a police, of course, the skill we have to do is we need to be smart to shoot some target or
skill
object.
mentality and must be a taught.
Oh, so become a police, we have to have mentality, yes, strong
Yes.
mentality. Right. And then, do you think this job easy or difficult?
It's difficult because sometimes when controlling traffic,
Mhm.
there are people who don't obey traffic signs.
Oh, okay. So, talk about this topic. Well, we don't know in the future, but do you think about where do you want to work or where do you want to become a police in the future?
In the Makassar.
Or just stay in Makassar, yeah,
Yes.
in Indonesia, not going to abroad.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
No.
And then, what will you do to achieve your dreams? If you want to become a police, what we must do? For example, we have to study hard on what?
I'm never give to up and study hard.
Oh, you never give up and study
Hard.
hard. That's a good point. And then, what subject at school that really help you to support you to become a police?
Physical education and social studies.
Oh, physical education and social
Studies.
studies. That's nice. And then, do your parents really support you?
Yes, my parents support me.
Okay, is it only your mother or father or both of them?
Both of them.
Both of them. So you have a good parents, yeah, because
Yes.
it can support you all. Okay. This is the last but not least. Actually, can you give to the audience what the message that you can share to us how to become a police? For example, if you want to become a police, you have to study hard and you have a good mental or what?
If you become a police, you have strong mentality.
Okay, strong mentality, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's all for our English Benny Edu podcast. So thank you for your coming here. And I'm really happy because you have a good point talk about our topic today. Okay, thank you and see you next time. Bye.